Thank you for returning again, Leviathan Race. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am the Phoenix. I am the alt-art pulling champ. I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. Check the graphics. Check everything. I put out whole videos every day. I put out 8 shorts every day, if not more. So there is no one arguing my stature as the champ of either or. But I've been super cold for, I want to say, almost 2 weeks at this point. Jeez. I pulled this in a short video a little bit ago, but I need these packs to start hitting again. I need them to start hitting. We will go Ray hunting twice in this video. Battle Styles, which I pulled 2 alternate arts from before. Brilliant Stars. I've pulled many things from Brilliant already. Chilling Rain, I've pulled multiple alternate arts from Chilling Rain. Yeah, multiple ones. And again, Ray hunting. Come on. Come on, packs. Come on. Believe in the cards. The heart of the cards. Here we go. Evolving Skies. Let's go. Pack trash. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Come on. Come on. Evil Energy. Ice Luck is a popsicle. Scrappy. Snowleaf Badge. Raggy. Flababy. Zai. Duck. Swablu. C-Dot. Gordy for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 1. Savin. Can we pull something good? Come on, Savin. Sharpedo. Evolving Skies. Oh, you are a tough mistress. Oh, Battle Styles. Pack trash. Code card. Come on, come on, come on. Full Metal Energy. Perugly. Tool Jammer. Golbat. Onyx. Sparrow. Cillipede. Shinx. Ooh. Cacnea. Mankey for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 2. Bolton. I was on fire. I was on fire. What happened? What is going on? Brilliant Stars. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Come on. Hidden Leaf Energy. Cryonk. Collapse Stadium. Claydol. Spiritomb. Purloin. Milcery. Shinx. A Demon. Electabuzz for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 3. Pack 3. Woo! Finally! The dry streak is over! A full art trader card! Oh, finally! It has been a minute since I said this. And that gets the Thai seal of approval. It also is being sealed up on the recommendation of my boy, my guy, my buddy, my pal, Corvxnite. Corvxnite! If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. Get in there! Finally, the cold streak is over! It was too long. It was way too long. Jeez, come on. Brilliant Stars does it again. Okay, Chilling Rain. Let us go. Anything on top of that full art pull is nothing but candy. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, what you got? Lightning Blade. Jutsu. Bzzz. Sinisty. Crushing Gloves. Curlia. Sneasel. Galarian. Farfetch. Galarian Style. Furfuru. Venipede. Spheal. Flannery for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 4. Come on. Doug Trio, that's fine. I still got that beautiful full art trainer to end the cold streak. That was the longest cold streak I've ever had before. I'm so glad it's over. Evolving Skies. We go Ray hunting. Pack trash. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Water Style Jutsu. Shopping Center. Herder. Pyro. Marie. La. Bavette. Love this. Come on. Dweebo. Hippo. Avalok for the reverser for the finale. Pack 5. And the end to my pack breaking endeavor. Mwah. Victini. Hollow Victini. Sleeve, please, if you will. Get in there. 2 pulls today. The cold streak is dead. Long reign, the hit pulling king. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I'm so happy the cold streak is over. Full art Kindler and a hollow Victini. It's been a minute since I pulled finally something good. And I've been your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. Unfortunately, sometimes the champions go cold. They don't have the greatest match. They don't play the best game. But you know what? When they catch fire again, you can be assured that they have always and will always be the champion of that endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I will see you tomorrow. And please, Valor, make sure everybody goes home happy. And Super V, please, bring him back tomorrow.